Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, SF Stories. So guys, we have been to Yanbu Lake Park, Saudi Arabia. It's such a beautiful place, full of greenery. Good place to spend time with your family. There is a play area for kids too. They will enjoy it. There are fishes in this lake. And not to miss, there are coconut trees as well, which reminded me of my hometown. The best part about this place is cats. They are so cute and friendly. We had a great time here and it's such a beautiful place. Only con is there is no cafe or hotels or tea stall nearby. You need to carry food from outside and enjoy it here. We had our dinner at Dana Mall, Yanbu. I tried some Yemeni cuisine. Okay guys, I tried to show you some glimpse of Yanbu Lake Park. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.